everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today I am unboxing my June Birchbox, and this is the first month the price increase went into effect. So instead of $10 I paid $13 a month, and I noticed that the box looks different. I mean, every month the box does have a different design. I really like this one, but this time the box like comes out like this, like it's like a little drawer, and I kind of like it. If they keep coming like this, you can stack them together and like use them. I kind of am feeling this right now. I think that's really cute. So today we're gonna unbox it and let's see if we think it's worth it, if there's any changes going on or what. So when I open it, it looks like the card is on top covering up the goodies inside. And it says, this is not a beauty box. What? Let us explain, it says. When we started Birchbox, we set out to make the world of beauty simple. We've learned along the way that it's so much more than that. What we made resonated with customers who have felt overlooked by an entire industry because beauty isn't their top priority. People with jobs, families, hobbies, passions, and extremely full lives who deserve to have an experience on their terms, not the overwhelming, exclusive, high expectation norms of beauty. But more than being simple, we made something personal. We made something you see as a gift to you. We want to give you more. We know your life is so full you probably don't take the time to prioritize you enough. This is our real goal. Every month you get Birchbox, it's a reminder that you deserve time to take care for you. And not just to take care, but to take joy in that care. It's about making whatever time you have for you. Glorious, discover, learn, explore, play, all of it. We aren't here to tell you to take more time. We're here to tell you that the time you do have is important and you deserve to love it. So this is a reminder and this is for you. That's cute. And on the back there is a poem. Should I read the poem to you guys? You, a poem. This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hope for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. But you may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. That's cute. And then there's the usual card in here that tells you about the items that come inside your box, and it looks like be good to you is the theme this month, which makes sense with that first card. It says self-care is different for everyone. What's important is finding what matters for you, so any time you use is well spent. And then there's some ideas for self-care, but I'm not gonna keep reading. Let's get into the box. And it looks like there are more items in here than usual. So inside there's something that says, just for subscribers, here's $20 in loyalty point for every friend you refer who joins. Oh, that's nice. So I guess I always leave my referral link down below, and with my link you do save money. You pay only $9 for your first 3 months. So when you guys use my link, I guess I will also get some loyalty points. And to be honest, I always use my loyalty points to buy stuff for my giveaways. I hit 5,000 subscribers the day I am filming this. Thank you guys so much. I actually have ordered some things on Birchbox a couple days ago, and once those come in, I will be posting my giveaway video. I'm not sure the order of videos going up. I'm trying to pre-film a bit today, but anyways, it just reminded me to say thank you. I love you guys so much. Thank you for 5K. So it looks like the first thing I noticed is a full-size product, and this is a nail polish, and this looks so pretty. I desperately need to paint my toes. So this is by Smith & Colt. I really do enjoy their nail polishes, and this is in Psycho Candy. I think this is such a pretty color, and I love their packaging. So this is full size, like I said, and it is $18. This bright coral polish livens any look, plus you can feel good wearing the toxin-free formula. Awesome, I'm so excited to try this out. I should do it like tonight because I really need it. Next up is something I've had in the past and I really enjoy. This is by Way. This is their Wave Spray. I love the smell of their hair care products, so definitely happy to get this. This is not full size, but like I said, I've had this before, like in this exact size actually, and it did last a little while. So the full size of this would be $26. It says, use this weightless texturizer mist, sand salt to achieve effortlessly tousled waves. So, awesome. And then we have something by Jouer, and this is their Sheer Pigment Lip Gloss with coconut oil. Ooh, what color is it? It's in Serrano, if I'm saying that correct. And I honestly don't know if this is full size or not. It looks like it's big. Let's see. You know, I think this may be full size, and how beautiful is this? Let's swatch it. I might have some swatches all over me already, like some remaining. Tried to get it off, but there might be some. So here is the wand. Oh wow, I'm loving this. I was just saying in a video I just filmed, I'm not sure again what order things are going up, but I've been loving getting lip glosses. But this is like a pigmented lip gloss. I love like that coral coral shade, gosh, can I speak? And I think this might be full size. So if it is, this is $17, and it says this gloss is infused with coconut and jojoba oils to hydrate lips as it adds a glossy cherry sheen. So pretty. It says you can apply one coat for a sheer finish or add more for a deeper hue. Super excited to try this out. And then we have something by Air Repair. This is their complexion boosting moisturizer. And this is obviously not full size, but this is a decent amount. This is 7 mLs. The full size would be $23, and it says this rejuvenating cream is filled with antioxidants and humectants that moisturize on dry, stressed out complexion. Well, cool. And then we have an eyeshadow duo by Butter London. This looks cute. Like that one shade, that like teal shade, looks like something I do not have in my collection. This is in Lush Tropics. You kind of pull out just like the box we had itself. And this is cute. This is definitely something that would add to my collection. Like, I don't think I have anything like this. Here are the two shades. I hope I'm not swatching over anything. Oh my gosh, these swatch really nice. I'm excited to use that like greenish teal shade, whatever that color is. Definitely different than other things I have. So I love getting stuff to add to my collection, so awesome. It says this eyeshadow, Lush Tropics, the full size is $15. These complimentary shimmery shadows are made of fine powder, so the color is easily buildable and blendable on your lids. Awesome. And next up we have two different mini, what is this? This is so cute, whatever it is. The original makeup eraser sample, makeup eraser and mermaids, both are magical and only require water. The #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. And there's two of them, and look at how cute this packaging is. There is little mermaids on both. I love that we get two. It says the makeup eraser will erase all your makeup with just water. Erases mascara, eyeliner, blush, foundation, and more, including waterproof and smear-proof makeup. Reusable, machine washable, will last 3 to 5 years. And I love that there's two. I can leave like one in the bathroom right here and one in my bathroom. This is so awesome. I'm so happy to have this. I've had one before in the past, but I don't know what happened to it. So the full size is $20. It says, stubborn makeup, we're looking at you, waterproof mascara will be gone in a flash with this plush, chemical-free cloth made with super fine fibers. Run the eraser underwater, then sweep away makeup. Awesome, I think they did step it up this month, you guys. So that was everything, and I think this box was really good. Okay, let's do a quick recap. We got not one, but two makeup erasers. These are the minis, but that's okay. These are reusable and last 3 to 5 years. And like, come on, look how cute that packaging is. On the back, it gives instructions on how to use if you are unaware. And then I think we did get some full-size items. Like, I'm pretty sure this gloss by Jouer is full size. I can't imagine it being much larger. And it's a really pretty color. Awesome. And then we got a full-size nail polish, which reminded me I really need to give myself a pedicure. I'm trying to save myself some money by only getting my like fingers done. I like manicures at the salon and doing my own toes, but I've been really bad about doing it. So this color is so beautiful. I can't wait to actually try it out. We have the two shadows by Butter London, which are unique to my collection, so I am super excited to add them and try them out. And I think they swatch beautifully, so I'm excited to see how they perform on the lids. We have a deluxe sample size of the Complexion Boosting Moisturizer by Air Repair, which I've heard good things about this company. And then we have the Wave Spray, which I think smells really good, and I do like it. I honestly probably use it more for like the scent of it, but I could always use a wave spray. My hair is like hella straight and flat, so I could always use a little help in that arena. So yeah, I think this was a really good month. I think they did step it up. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think Birchbox is worth it with the few dollar price increase? If you are loving this, what you see, like I said, I do have a referral link, which I will leave in the description box as always, that will get you a few dollars off, like more than that. I think you save like, I don't know, so if you pay $9 a month, you save like $8 at least, I think. So yeah, so you'll pay $9 your first 3 months, and yeah, no long-term commitment after that. If you don't like it, you can cancel. And yeah, I think it is worth it. If you do not know, that Birchbox is my very first subscription box, and I'm still getting it 6+ years later. And I'm really happy that they're making positive changes. So yeah, leave your thoughts down below. And as always, I just want to thank you for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!